TGIF Fridays is regarded as the fine dining establishment that attracts the most sophisticated clients and the who's who among us. So what happens when one man attempts to ruin their good name? On January 1st, 2025, the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that man.
Did you want it, Johnson? Okay. Hey, he's gonna take it, so for training.
Oh, nice. So he's been here about an hour. We had 3, then we pulled the last one, and he seems extremely intoxicated. Like there might be something else at play, or leftovers from New Year's, or if we can, we need to try to get him to pay. And then he's definitely not going to be able to get on an airplane. I was trying to ask him when his flight was, when he's boarding, try to get him some food, some water.
He's the one over here that can't even sit.
Can't communicate with him at all.
You're falling, and I can't let you fall.
Hey,
look at
this. Hey, I'm Austin Morgan with DFW Airport Police. We got a couple other officers over here. What's going on today? There you go. Just lean back. There you go.
Pay your tab so we can get you out of here.
Yeah, apparently that's what's...
You have your wallet on you?
No.
You don't have your wallet on you?
No, I don't.
It's not in your bag?
Nope.
Nope.
What's that?
You don't have no wallet on you at all, sir?
No.
Huh?
No.
No ID?
Girl, you know what? Oh my god. You're so annoying.
Any medical conditions?
Hey,
Yeah, I know.
we're gonna hook him up.
Okay. Can you stand up for me? Are you able to stand up?
No, I don't want to. So, and I don't have to actually. Okay. Oh my god. Here we go.
How much was it, Chad? 53, 55. Stand up for it, buddy.
Okay.
Let me know what we do.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Okay.
Thanks for your admin message.
Thanks, man. Sorry. I think we're good. Okay. Are you the one that called it in? Yes, sir. Oh, so you're
That was William David Lincoln,
Yes, sir.
6
Maybe on the call
million.
sheet. Okay. You have got yeah.
Hall, Baker, Charles.
Oh, yeah. He's on.
William David Lincoln, 6 Boyd. Paul Robert, Boyd, Charles, 33.
What?
Lost your shoe.
Where's your shoe at?
Must have fell off back there. They're gonna grab it.
Hey. Oh, he got it. He got it. Come on. He got it. Let's go. All this. Come on, buddy. Come on over here. We're gonna go in there and sit down. Step off the curb right here. Okay. All right, step up.
Get a picture of your side of badge. And do you want to press charges for not paying the bill, or you're just gonna comp it, or you want him to come over here later tomorrow and maybe pay it, or what do you want to do?
I definitely don't want to press charges. If he would come pay it, that would be great.
Okay.
I don't want to, we'll survive.
He may not even remember where at. I'll let them know and get a phone number for you, so maybe they can.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.